Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello YouTubers and my little crypto family. Hope you're all doing awesome. Happy Sunday to you all. Oh well, it's another Bloodbath Sunday and it looks like a lot of strong projects are literally walking along a tightrope hanging by a thread. So we're going to have a little look at Fantom today. Fantom is one of our favorite DeFi projects right here, and it's a really strong infrastructure token, very efficient, very scalable, very fast, all of these awesome things. But right now, if you watch my last video, you would see this critical support level potentially being breached, and it does look like it's happening that way. And I don't want to be a sensationalist and all this, but it is quite a dangerous territory for anyone out there who is actually trading this project, or maybe looking to dollar cost average in, because you know the saying, you cannot catch a falling knife. Yeah, so that's the way it is. So crypto fear and greed index is ticking over at 27, so we dropped a little bit. The Fantom total value locked is still 10 billion, so it's still pretty good. I mean, if we look here, 4.53 billion over in multi-chain dominance. You got Geist, you got Boo, Scream, all these great TVL decentralized exchanges and other platforms that are helping with all the staking, the yield, and the liquidity provision. And yeah, we just want to have a look at some of the levels on Fantom right now, really. So trading at $1.72, rank 32, market cap of 4.3 billion. And we can see on the daily time frame, we've had a whopping 8% drop. Over the week, we've had an 11.6% drop. So it's not looking bullish. And depending on what Bitcoin decides to do, it could drag all these alts down with it. So this is quite, I suppose, an important video and some important prices to look at. So before we jump in, make sure you smash the subscribe button as well if you're new here. Really appreciate the support. Massive thanks to the 5 patrons we got here. Big thumbs up. So let's have a little look at Fantom. Well, right now we're trading at $1.71, and on the daily time frame, it looks like we're in this massive symmetrical triangle. And if we pull up our Fibonacci retracement, one of our bullish retracement levels would be the 0.618, which is around $1.45. So we're still a little way off that particular level. We've just broken through that 0.5 Fibonacci now, taking this impulse, looking at that retracement. Now, if we were to do the same thing from the corrective phase too, you're still looking at that 0.786. So this could also indicate a potential bouncing area. So on the macro scale, you're looking at this 0.618 over here at 140. But then on the more micro short-term retracement here, it's a little bit lower actually. I didn't quite get it right. Well, it would actually be $1.64, which also seems right because it marries up with this diagonal resistance. So we either do come down to this $1.37-ish level, but I think the first key area of support that we must all identify is around that $1.60 level right here, where we have this diagonal support level, that long-term support level, marrying up all these swing lows along here. So yeah, it doesn't look quite that good right now, guys. We lost the support over here at 180. We had that potential double bottom reversal. It didn't happen. We got rejected at that bullish reversal. And if we look at the bull market support band, you can see that we're now back underneath that bull market support band. We got rejected at the top of this signal, and we lost the support at $1.87. So we lost that double bottom. Now we're potentially coming down to 161. And if we lose the support at 161, that's where we're going to see this $1.40 region, which I've also highlighted as a potential strong reaccumulation zone. So yeah, you can sort of see that there on the daily time frame. The RSI isn't looking oversold, it's not looking a problem, but on the MACD we do have that the bearish crossover there and a bearish crossover here. So there's 2 bearish crossovers followed by that 1 bullish crossover on the 8th of February. But now we have bearish crossover and another bearish crossover. So are we going to get a bounce? Hopefully we do get a bounce. If we go to that 4-hour time frame, to zoom right into what's going on here. Yeah, so we lost the support at 180. It looks like we could be traversing down to 161. What we really want to see is a retest of the resistance at $1.80 before retesting again, and then hopefully seeing some upside movement. Otherwise, we get path B, which which is more like, you know, down to 163. You might lose the support, retest the support, and you could even see lower price levels such as $1.36. It all depends on what Bitcoin decides to do here, guys. So it is looking pretty shaky for Fantom right now. My advice would be, even though it's not financial advice, would be dollar cost average, small capital weighting, so allocate 2%, 2%, 2% in each support level that drops down. That could be the most effective way to do it. Also on that daily time frame, another bearish indicators we're under that 200-day moving average, as you can see, for the first time in a very long time. But one of the bullish signals we've got on the 4-hour time frame is that every time we are oversold on the RSI, such as here, such as here, such as here, we always seem to get a bounce to the upside, as you can see. So we have a few levels where we've seen this. We've had it here, we bounce. We've had it also around here, where we also bounce. So there's just a few different levels where we're bouncing. We can now remove this double top. But yeah, it looks like we just lost that support, and hopefully we can pick up a bit of traction, a bit of momentum. Hopefully some whales will accumulate around this level, because Fantom is an amazing project. But that's what I'm seeing. Still hyper bullish over the next decade, of course. We have these big price targets of $3.78, but that could be, you know, for now in the next bull cycle. We don't know what's going to happen. It could be in 2024, 25, where we see these bigger price targets actually emulate and actually occur. So right now it could be a very boring you know, bear market, something that looks like la-di-da-di-da all the way through here, and then we pick up again in the future. I mean, that looks more pragmatic. It looks like this: bear market and bull market and bear market into a bull market. So it's just kind of my speculation. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, smash that like button, leave a comment, let me know your next projects and what you're feeling bullish and bearish on. Also yeah, subscribe to the channel. Patrons, if you want to become a patron, you're going to receive my free ebook which will transform your crypto journey. It's literally the price of a coffee. You'll also receive premium Discord access, amazing Discord community, about 100 people in there at the moment, and you'll unlock one-on-one messaging as well. So if you want to do those things, that'd be a massive help for the channel, and you'll help the growth of the community. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.